Hey guys, so I finally got me a Dr. B's Sonic Cleaner. Um, you guys know that I have been using a coffee mug, which is okay, but this Sonic Cleaner is fantastic. I've used it for 3 nights, and I tell you what, every time that I have used it, when you open the lid, you can see the food and the debris from the denture floating at the top. I'm going to show you guys this. I'll actually do a soak or a deep clean so I can show you guys how easy it is. Okay, I've got my little setup here. Here we go. Open this bad boy up. Here's the liquid cleaning crystals. This is the travel size, but you take and you put 2 to 3 pumps in. And then warm tap water. Let me take you over here. Got to let the water get warm first. So 2 to 3 pumps. And then you put water in here. Last time I did this, I filled it way too full. So you got to pay attention to what you're doing. This thing just slides right back in here. Okay. Let's take this old snap in out. Shut it. There's a on button in the back. I'm going to let this run for about 3 minutes. I will be back. Okay, guys, I want to show you this water, which is you can actually see stuff floating in there. That's how good this thing does. Okay, but I get it out. Once it's done, rinse it off. Now, this is not something you have to do, but something I do. I've got some Dr. B's Clean-A-Dent on a toothbrush. Okay, after I rinse it, I brush my snap-in or my denture with this. And one of the main reasons is just so I have a little bit of a minty feeling, or a freshness. It's for the freshness factor is the main reason I do that. It's not something you have to do. But like I said, I like for my mouth to feel fresh, even after I brush my gums and my natural lowers. So, and for those of you that have not seen my other videos, this is what an implant retained denture looks like. I have 6 implants. These here are the gaskets that the implants snap into. Okay? And it is a horseshoe. So, the Sonic Cleaner uses high-frequency sonic waves to help loosen debris. When you use that with the liquid cleaning crystals, you're going to get a really, really deep clean. I know that I have said this before, but when you buy the denture tabs at the store and use those, the only thing that those kill are odor-causing bacteria. The liquid cleaning crystals kill dangerous pathogens. Your strep, your staph, your candida, all of these can lead to pretty severe illnesses. So it's very, very important that you do a deep clean on your oral appliance. Guys, especially if you've been sick, you want to make sure you do a deep clean. You don't, those dangerous bacteria get on that denture. You want to get that off so you're not reintroducing that into your system. Right now they have a special. If you purchase a big bottle of the liquid cleaning crystals, you get the Sonic Cleaner for 50% off. So I went into the website. Actually, the big bottle of liquid cleaning crystals is on sale for $11.66 right now. If you go in and you add that to your cart first, it will give you an option toward the top of the page. It says, would you like to add a Sonic Cleaner for 50% off? If you have never ordered from Dr. B's before, you can also use code DENT, D-E-N-T, and that will get you 20% off. Guys, it's a great deal. A big bottle of liquid crystals, a Sonic Cleaner, using code DENT, all of that you get for $16.74. I believe it is what it is, yes. If you have already used code DENT, it's like $20.92 for the 2 of them. You cannot beat that. I spoke with Dusty from Dr. B's Dental Solutions because I wanted to know how many times that code DENT you could use that. She said that you could use that code twice. So if you have already used it twice, you won't be able to, but it's still super cheap right now with the special they got going on. She also said that after you have placed an order, about 30 days after that, check your email because they do send out other codes for you to use. Now, if for some reason you don't get an email in your regular inbox, she's told me to let you guys know to check your junk or your spam folder because it may, sometimes the emails do get or go into there. Another thing I do want to talk about is the new travel size liquid crystals. They used to have packets, which I think a lot of people liked because people travel for business or what have you, and it was just a lot easier. Well, now, just a second, they have the travel size. So cute. But you get 3 of these for $18.95, so that's a good deal. Okay, but all of their products are fantastic. I have used them all, and I am a lifetime customer. I won't use anything else, especially since I have gotten thrush so many times. This is the only thing that kills that thrush. But if you have made it this far in the video, I would like to give away a sonic cleaner. I would like for you to comment and let me know if you have tried any of the products yet, any of the Dr. B's products, and what your favorite product is. Once you've commented, I will assign you a number. 1 entry per person next Friday, which is, hang on, let me get the date. Okay, next Friday, April 12th, I'm going to say Friday evening around 7. I will come on and do a live drawing using the random number generator, just like I did last week. So, U.S. residents only, guys. I apologize just because of shipping. So, good luck to you guys. I hope you guys have a fantastic week. I will have another video out probably either tomorrow or Thursday. So, you guys have a good evening, and I will see you soon.